Okay, so this is a video about linkamotion and how I use it. Linkamotion is basically another private blog network which is similar to Blog Blueprint and Build My Rank. So what I like about linkamotion over Blog Blueprint is Blog Blueprint I kind of find annoying. Have to like manually copy and paste new articles in it every day, or you have to do a lot of them in advance. And also because of how they do their links, you have to like manually insert the link after pasting it in their system. So personally I prefer linkamotion. So how it goes is, so let's say you have this article, so you have like this title on top and then a body here, and you want to make sure this is an extremely heavily spun article, but I usually do 2 levels of spinning for services like linkamotion, since they only want like about 150 words. So basically, let's say I have a 200 word article, I'll have 2 different 150 word versions of the base article, each with my link. That way there's a bit more variations. So anyways, let's say this is the article, so you go on spun article, then you do post to WordPress blog, then linkamotion is there, and here you should like put your real information. The first 2 would be the same. Here you put your real username, your password, then you choose a category. So this is like smoking, so I guess this would be somewhere in health. So it doesn't really matter for these. I'll just put in I don't know, men's issues. Make sure to uncheck publish post immediately, and then you do post to blog. Probably won't work because this is not my okay, well it said it worked, but this is not my real information, so it didn't actually send it. But if it's your real information, then it will. Okay, so basically what would be long here would be that for each article you'd have to do new spin, post to blog, and do this exact same thing. So what I use is a program called Macro Gamer, which you basically make a macro out of this. So let's say I go to edit, and then I'll make it record mouse clicks, click position, then I'll go here, and then you press F2 to start it.
Recording started.
And then you make it do new spin, post to WordPress blog, uncheck this, make it go to, let's say, men's issues, make it post to blog. Okay, click this, and then you stop the recording.
Stopped.
At this point you can just press OK. I usually put repeat at like 99, bind it to a random key. I'll put 2. Let this work. Alright, so for some reason I'm not sure if it's binding it. Okay, it had a fatal error. But anyways, you get the gist of it. So this is the recording, and then you just press OK and it'll save it. So basically what happens after is whatever key it's bound to, you press F3 this time instead of F2. F2 is when you're on this screen for it to like record what you're doing, and then you press F2 to finish the recording. But when you want to actually enable these macros, then you do F3 and then you do the binding. So in this case it's 2. So that's it for that. Once you have it set up, it's really simple, though you'll probably have to set one differently for every different niche that you're posting articles to, since you'll have to make it select a different category. So then you go on linkamotion and your articles that you uploaded will be here. So you want to check them all. You do edit, apply, choose whichever project you want to, and put it at pending review, and then update, and all of them will be ready. And something to mention about projects is that you can have 10 projects, and every project will have 5 blog posts published per day. So basically that's 5 posts per day times 10 projects, so you can have about 50 blog posts a day published with a link back towards your websites.